How to create an Epic Games account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily create an Epic Games account. So first, just head over to Epic Games official website by searching on any of your browser, and once you're inside here, just tap on this sign in button over here right next to the download option. You can also actually download the apps if you want, and you can basically sign in with your account if you already have an account using different accounts such as Google account, Steam account, Apple account, Facebook account, etc. So for now, I'll simply click on this create account and just head over to no, and you just have to basically fill out the details such as your date of birth as well as your full name, last name. So I'll simply quickly fill that up real quick, and once you fill that up, just click on continue. So let me just enter my email address over here as well as my first name, last name, display name, and password. You can also check this or uncheck this, and make sure to check the terms and condition of the box. And once you're inside here, you just have to enter your 6-digit code, which is being sent to your Gmail address. So let me just head over to my Gmail to open the verification digit. So I'll simply copy or just type in just like this and simply verify your email from over here. Once you do that, you can just click on done linking. If you want to link it with Xbox or PlayStation, you can do that as well. And finally, you have successfully created your Epic Games account just like that. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.